Greetings from Vijaya.net. Happy Pahela Baishakh. How are you all? I'm keeping cool by the grace of Almighty, and I hope you are doing great too. Because today is a very traditional day and today is a very cultural day for every Bengali. So today is a very important day for everyone. Because it's a very traditional day for every Bengalis, and today I'm really so much excited, and that's why I have made this video for you. I want to spend some time with you guys. That's why I have made this video about Pahela Baishakh to celebrate my Pahela Baishakh with you guys. So you know that for this day we have got some traditional things, like we have got some traditional food, we have got some traditional clothes that is really great. And if you think about traditional food, so what is our traditional food for this Pahela Baishakh? Do you know about it? Yeah, you know about it. I know that. So here the watered rice with onion with green chili is our traditional food, and also hilcha fish is our very traditional food for this Pahela Baishakh. Is a very traditional food. Those are very traditional food, and people all around the world like this kind of food to eat. And we have got some traditional clothes for this day. I mean, according to the girls, yellow sarees is a very traditional clothes for these girls, and according to the boys, I mean, pajama, Punjabi, those are something like the traditional clothes for the boys. Am I right? Yeah, I think I'm right. So we have got some other festival also, like Halkata. Those are some important and really fantastic festival for our Bengali. But you know that during this pandemic time we shouldn't go out to celebrate this day, as we have to at home, we have to stay at home. We shouldn't go out to celebrate this day because during this pandemic time there are some restrictions to go out, so you shouldn't go out, and you should spend your whole time with your family, with your siblings, with your cousin. You should give some time to them. So it will be really a great celebration to spend some time with your family, with your cousin, with your siblings. It will be really a great celebration for everyone. And according to my opinion, I'm also celebrating this day with my family, with my family members, and this is a very great day for me because I'm really so much happy and excited. That's why I can share with you my my experience and my excitement, because today I'm really so much excited to spend my whole time with my family and with my siblings. I'm really so much excited. So I have a great recommendation for you, that is, if you can survive during this pandemic time, you will be able to get many Pahela Baishakh in your life. But if you cannot survive, so then you will not be able to find any kinds of Pahela Baishakh in your life. So at first you have to think about this, then you should arrange some party about it. So this is a very traditional day. Hope you will enjoy this day a lot with your family members, and I'm wishing for you a best luck, and please pray for me because today is the first day of Bengali month. So I hope you will also pray for me, and you will also support me every time. So that will be really great, and that's enough for me. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will also try to follow my whole recommendation that I have already given to you. So this will be really great. Thank you so much for listening me and watching to me. And if you like this presentation, so please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel Vijaya.net, and of course press the bell icon for my next video. Thank you so much, and best of luck for this new year. Thank you. Bye bye.